Hey guys, this is Michael WX123 here, and I got my box, my package. It is the Magista Obra firm ground, 9.5, but it's actually the lightning pack. I believe it's called the lightning pack, and here's the shoes. So yeah, I will be making a review and a playtest later on soon, maybe in a week or two. Most likely I'll be busy, so it'll most likely will take me 2 weeks. But yeah, here's the unboxing. This is all you get: the string bag, the shoes itself, and yeah. So yeah, be on a lookout on that video. Alright, thanks for watching.